Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just called to this site to carry out some PPMs and I noticed that the clarifier's temperature was too low. Also saw that the plate heat exchanger's temperature was low as well. It's working its way up now, closer to its set point of 65 Celsius. The boilers are back on as well now. I saw that they had locked out on overheat. They're working their way up now in temperature. Here's my other boiler working its way up in temperature as well. You can see the flow temperature is 54 Celsius. I noticed that there's some water behind the boilers. I'm going to try and trace where it's from. I'm not sure if it's coming from the pressure relief valves behind the boiler or if they're from a different leak. Our pressurization unit is on 2.2. There's some running water running, but that's from the condensate trap. I do see some signs of a pump leaking here, but that could just be due to the system being cold. Pumps and different equipment start to leak in plant rooms when they run cold for a while. So that could be the cause of this pump leaking. So our temperatures are still working their way up. I would like to see if the same fault reoccurs whilst I'm here. We have our pump on our plate heat exchanger running. I have another pump over here. It's going to take a while for this temperature to rise. So we have our pumps here operating. And this pump here, this other twin pump is on standby. This particular site that I'm on is very temperamental. It's not the first time I've walked in here and found the temperatures too low or too high. Some recent install work has taken place, but I don't think that it was commissioned correctly. So let's follow our constant temperature pump from the boiler. Comes down here. Comes up here. Into our expansion vessel. Then after our constant temperature pump, we have our different circuits. So we have a circuit here, a VT circuit, and then running off the constant temp pump we have another VT circuit. Then we have another VT circuit. And another VT circuit. And another VT circuit. So our boilers are getting up to temperature pretty quickly. Okay, so judging by our BMS, you can see the time when our temperatures dropped. There's the date there, and here's our temperature. And you can also see our hot water primary flow dropping. You can see the blue line is our hot water primary flow, and the red line is our boiler flow. You can see the correlation between the two. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.